viewers, it's a pleasure to have you join us. A graduation ceremony in the United Kingdom has become one of the most talked about Nigerian political and social stories of the day. It was not a campaign rally, a government meeting, or a party convention. Instead, it was a proud family celebration that attracted an impressive gathering of influential politicians, lawmakers, and public figures from across Nigeria. The occasion was the graduation of Jasmine, the daughter of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, from the University of Southampton, where she obtained a Bachelor of Laws degree with upper second-class honors. While the achievement itself deserved recognition, the distinguished guest list also captured widespread public attention. Graduating with a law degree is a significant milestone for any student. It represents years of dedication, demanding coursework, examinations, and legal research. Achieving an upper second-class honors classification represents a strong academic performance and demonstrates consistent commitment throughout the program. For the Wike family, the ceremony marked the successful completion of an important chapter in Jasmine's educational journey and the beginning of a new opportunity in the legal profession or any other career she may choose to pursue. The graduation ceremony was attended by Nyesom Wike and his wife, Justice Eberechi Suzette Wike, who proudly watched their daughter receive her degree. Like countless parents around the world, they celebrated a moment that reflected years of encouragement, sacrifice, and support. Academic achievements often become memorable family milestones, and this occasion was no exception, as relatives, friends, and well-wishers gathered to honor Jasmine's accomplishments. Details of the ceremony were made public by the Senior Special Assistant to the FCT Minister on Public Communications and Social Media, Lere Olayinka. In a post shared on his official Facebook page, Olayinka announced that Jasmine has successfully graduated from the University of Southampton and congratulated her on the achievement. The announcement quickly spread across social media platforms, where many Nigerians expressed admiration and extended congratulatory messages to the graduate and her family. What transformed the event from a private family celebration into a national talking point was the remarkable list of dignitaries who traveled to attend the ceremony. Among those present was the governor of Adamawa State, Amadu Umaru Fintiri. Also in attendance were Professor Sandy Ono, Senator Mao Ohabunwa, Chairman of the People's Democratic Party Board of Trustees, and Aaron Chukwuemeka, the party's Deputy National Chairman for the South. Their presence reflected the close relationships that Wike has maintained with many political figures during his years in public service. The gathering also included APC governorship candidate in Rivers State, Honorable Kingsley Chinda, Executive Director of Projects for the South-South Development Commission, Honorable Marcus Nleji, House of Representatives member, Honorable Victor Obuzo, representing Ahoda West, Ogba Egbema Ndoni, Federal Constituency of Rivers State, and the publisher of these Nigerian newspapers, Eric Osage. Other associates, friends, and invited guests were equally present, making the ceremony a meeting point for personalities from different professional and political backgrounds. For many observers, the attendance of politicians from different circles illustrated how family occasions often rise above partisan differences. Nigeria's political environment is frequently characterized by intense competition and sharp public disagreements. Yet, events such as graduations, weddings, and other personal celebrations often provide opportunities for leaders to come together outside the usual political arena. Although individuals may belong to different parties or hold different political opinions, they sometimes unite to celebrate important milestones in the lives of colleagues, friends, and family members. The University of Southampton is one of the United Kingdom's respected higher education institutions, attracting students from many countries around the world. Its law program is recognized for providing students with a strong foundation in legal principles, critical thinking, and practical analysis. Completing such a program requires discipline, resilience, and consistent academic effort. Graduates leave equipped with knowledge that can be applied across legal practice, public administration, corporate organizations, and many other professions. Across social media, reactions to the graduation were largely positive. Many Nigerians congratulated Jasmine on her academic success and wished her greater accomplishments in the years ahead. Others praised her parents for supporting her education and described the ceremony as a proud moment for the entire family. Numerous comments focus on the importance of encouraging young Nigerians to pursue academic excellence and professional development regardless of their background. The event also generated discussion because it offered a different perspective on public officials who are often seen only through the lens of politics. Beyond government responsibilities, political leaders are also parents, spouses, and family members who celebrate personal milestones just like millions of other Nigerians. The graduation reminded many people that educational achievements remain moments of pride and extend beyond political affiliations and public office. As Jasmine Wike begins her next phase of her journey, many will be interested to see which direction her career takes. With a Bachelor of Laws degree and a strong academic record, she has various opportunities available, whether in legal practice, corporate law, public service, academia, or other professional fields. Whatever path she ultimately chooses, her graduation represents the successful completion of years of study and determination. While the gathering of prominent political figures naturally attracted headlines, the central story remains one of academic success. A young Nigerian has completed a demanding university education and earned a respected law degree from an internationally recognized institution. For the Wike family, it was a day of celebration and gratitude. For many Nigerians, it served as a reminder that education continues to open doors, create opportunities, and inspire future generations. Congratulations have continued to pour in, and the occasion will likely remain one of the memorable family milestones associated with the FCT minister and his household. For more updates, stay with us on News Express. Many thanks for watching.